Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to English for Beginners channel. Here, we will practice listening and speaking skills through conversation. After you listen, then pause and repeat what the speakers said. To support this channel, please subscribe and share this. Let's begin by Basmallah. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
This is a download from BBC Learning English. To find out more, visit our website.
Hello and welcome to the English We Speak with me, Jiaying.
And hello, I'm Rob.
Rob, are you excited about the big football match this weekend?
Oh, I am, especially as my team, Manchester Pool FC United, are playing. They've had a great season, so they should win.
So, Rob, you think they'll win hands down?
Well, they are very good, but they won't be playing with their hands, just their feet. Otherwise, it'll be handball.
I know, Rob. If we say someone will win hands down, it means they will win easily or decisively. So, if your team are as good as you say they are, there is nothing to worry about. Good luck anyway.
It's not about luck, it's about skill, and my team has lots of it.
If you say so, Rob. Let's have some examples of win hands down, shall we?
Yes.
After all the training you've done, you'll win the race hands down. The competition was tough, but in the end, you won the chess tournament hands down. We've prepared very well, so we should win the match hands down.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English. We're learning about the phrase to win hands down, which means to win easily. And Rob, hopefully your team will win hands down this weekend.
Yes, but without using any hands.
But, hold on, have you heard? Your main player has twisted his ankle. He's out of the game.
No way! I was hoping he'd score a few goals. Maybe we won't win hands down after all. What can we say instead?
There are lots of win-related phrases, but the most suitable one for now is you win some, you lose some.
Well, I still hope this time we win.
Good luck!
Bye!
Let's continue for the second conversation.
This is a download from BBC Learning English. To find out more, visit our website.
Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Fei Fei.
And I'm Neil. Wow, that food smells amazing. What is it?
It's part of my new diet. I've decided to start eating much more healthily as my New Year's resolution.
You're making me hungry. I'm really impressed with your new healthy lifestyle. Congratulations.
Yes, it's a change for the better.
What? A change for the butter? You've started eating only butter? Nothing else? That doesn't sound like a balanced diet.
No, I said a change for the better. We use the expression a change for the better to talk about an improvement in the state or condition of something. For example, my new diet is an improvement in the way I eat.
Ah, that makes sense. And now I can see what you're eating. So many vegetables. Compared with the takeaway food you used to eat, it really is a change for the better. Maybe you can give me some advice about what to eat.
We can talk more about that after these examples.
The new manager brought in some new plants and repainted the office. The new look really was a change for the better. Many people feel that 4-day working weeks would be a change for the better. The decision to change the focus of the project was a change for the better.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English. We're learning about the expression a change for the better. We use this to say there's been an improvement in the condition or quality of something.
So, when I stopped eating meat, I felt that it was a change for the better for me. I feel being vegetarian suits me.
Yes, and getting regular exercise can also be a change for the better. Do you want to know what else would be a change for the better?
Sure. What? Less stress? Less work?
No. If you never wear that horrible flamingo costume you wore for Halloween again, that really would be a change for the better for all of us.
Well, that I can't promise. Sorry.
Bye, Neil.
Bye.
That's all for this video. Thanks to bbc.com for the resources of these conversation. See you in the next video. Alhamdulillah wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.